Oh, but what about October 7th? The Haifa Massacre, 1937. The Jerusalem Massacre, 1937. Balad al-Sheikh Massacre, 1939. The Haifa Massacre of 1939. The Haifa Massacre of 1947. The Abbasiyah Massacre of 1947. The Al-Qisas Massacre of 1947. The Bab al-Amud Massacre of 1947. The Jerusalem Massacre of 1947. The Sheikh Burek Massacre of 1947. The Al-Sheikh Massacre of 1947. The Jaffa Massacre of 1948. The Al-Saraya al-Arabiya Massacre of 1948. The Semiramis Massacre of 1948. The Ramla Massacre of 1948. The Yazur Massacre of 1948. The Tabra Tulkara Massacre of 1948. The Jerusalem Massacre of 1948. The Deir Yassin Massacre of 1948. The Abu Shusha Massacre of 1948. The Tantura Massacre of 1948. The Lida Massacre of 1948. The Saliha Massacre of 1948. The Al-Dawayima Massacre of 1948. The Al-Hasineya Massacre of 1948. The Abu Kabir Massacre of 1948. The Cairo Train Massacre, Haifa, 1948. The Kalunya Massacre, 1948. The Nasir al-Din Massacre, 1948. The Tiberias Massacre of 1948. The Haifa Massacre, 1948. The Beit Daras Massacre of 1948. The Kibya Massacre, 1953. The Khan Yunis Massacre, 1956. The Jerusalem Massacre, 1967. The Baro al-Bakar Massacre of 1972. The Sabra and Shatila Massacre of 1982. The Al-Aqsa Mosque Massacre of 1990. The Ibrahimi Mosque Massacre of 1994. The Jenin Refugee Camp Massacre of 2002. The Gaza Massacre of 2008. The Gaza Massacre of 2009. The Gaza Massacre of 2012. The Gaza Massacre of 2014. The Gaza Border Massacre of 2018. The Gaza Border Massacre of 2019. The Gaza Weda Street Massacre of 2021. The Gaza Massacre of 2022. The Gaza Massacre of 2023. The Gaza Genocide, October 8th, 2023. The Gaza Genocide 2024. The Gaza Genocide 2025. Now tell me this isn't ethnic cleansing. Tell me this isn't a genocide. And tell me this isn't a Holocaust. Never again means never again for everyone.